Hello everyone, we are going to do Surya Namaskar today. So stand on the front edge of your mat. Inhale and exhale, palms together. Inhale, stretch both arms up, arch your back, push your tailbone forward. Slowly exhale, lengthen your back and bend forward. Go down, press your palms on the floor or the fingertips on the floor. Slightly bend your knees, take your right leg back, right knee down, right toe point out and look up. Take your other leg back, come to the push-up position. Exhale, drop your knees down, chest down, chin down. Slide forward and arch back, toe pointing out. Exhale, tuck your toes in, come into the inverted V, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, take your right feet forward in between the palms, left knee down, left toe point out, look up. Exhale, take your other leg forward, drop your head down. Slowly inhale, lengthen your back, come up and arch back. Exhale, release. Now watch again with corrections. Inhale and exhale, palms together. Inhale, stretch your both arms up. First you arch your back, then slowly push your tailbone forward. Exhale, bend forward. Lengthen your back first and slowly bend forward and touch the fingertips or palms on the floor. So make sure that you're pressing the palms and fingertips in the same line as your feet. Take your head down. If your fingertips are not touching the floor, or suppose if your body is here, you can slightly bend your knees, touch the fingertips or the palms on the floor and then straighten your knees. Now take your left leg back, left knee down, left toe pointing out and look up. So suppose if your body posture is here, you have to correct yourself again. Take your back leg a little more behind and point out your toe. Now look up. Tuck your toe, take your other leg back, come to the push-up position. Suppose if your push-up position is here, take your body weight slightly forward. Make sure that your shoulders and palms are in a straight line. In this way, your arms will be able to take the weight of your body. Now take your knees down, chest down and chin down. Suppose if your body is lying flat on the mat, come up, because that's not how it is done. So again, come up. You have to try to do the posture correctly. Now take your knees down, chest down and touch the chin on the floor. If you can observe, my abdomen is up. Now slowly come up and arch back. Exhale, tuck your toes, come to the inverted V posture again. So you have to try to keep the knees straight and back straight. Back should not be round, back should be straight. Now take left feet in between the palms and then look up. Or you can do the other way. So take your knees down first and with the help of your hand, take your feet in between the palms. Watch again. Take the feet in between the palms. My palm and the feet are forming a straight line. Now take your other leg forward, drop your head down Try to keep your knee straight. Now slowly, first you lengthen your back, come up slowly with the hands up, arch back and exhale, release. Thank you. See you in the next video.